And here we are again, D7 with freetradingvideos.com. And how was that for being alive and chipper? Man, we are up 266 points in the Dow. The S&P up 28, almost 29 points. The NASDAQ up 55 points. Russell's up 18. Across the board, the indexes are up plus 2%, each of them individually. And the VIX took a hammering of a 9% drop. We're down 22 bucks right now on the VIX index, which is the fear indicator. So anyway, let's take a look here. This is the S&P. I'm looking at a daily chart. Going back a couple months or so, we were in this nice downtrend. See how we crashed below the moving averages here? And then we started just getting hammered, going down, 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 boop. Found some support here. We popped up. What was interesting right here is that we cleared over this resistance. This blue line coming down, we cleared it. That showed some bullish activity. We ran up, 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 up. We hit our head right here, which we draw a line back to some support here, support there, support or resistance there, resistance here. Now in effect, we have a triangle. See the triangle formation? That's what we have. What was interesting today is we started going back above the moving averages. We made a higher high. We have a higher low. We need one more candlestick going up to be considered an up leg. If we get this up leg, that will be a higher swing low in the markets. We still have lower swing highs. We got a higher swing low. That, in essence, gives us a symmetrical triangle. These can be bullish or bearish. What's interesting here is we've been in this downtrend. The triangle is being built on a downtrend. However, the triangle was entered. This one entered on a downtrend. Chances are is the direction the triangle will break. So this, technically, by textbook standards, this has a better chance of breaking down than up. However, as you remember from the weekly chart shows that we have some upward movement. So it wouldn't surprise me if we do break this. It is very key. We need to get over 1280. 1280, maybe even 1285. If we can get over 1280, 1285 on the SPX, that would give us a great chance for some bullish activity. That would give us a higher swing high, and we will already have established a higher swing low. Definition of an uptrend, and that would be all systems go on the bullish front. But I'm not counting myself bullish yet. I've been sitting on the sidelines for the last several weeks, been flat the market, don't have too much going on. Why? Because we're not in a defined trend right now. Once we broke that support line right here, or this resistance line, I'm sorry, all bets were off. And when we started slowing down here and we started getting a little choppy, I decided, just to go to cash. We broke through. I was glad I was not bearish anymore, but it's still too early to go bullish. As you would have seen, the last few days have been quite brutal. But we came screaming back today at, like I said, 266 points, or on the S&P, 28, almost 29 points. So that's very good. So I'm expecting a bullish run here for at least a day, if not 2 days. That would be. I'd like to see that take place. But what I'm really keen on is this upper resistance line, this lower support line. If it's broken with conviction, I will sincerely be thinking about going that direction, either bullish or bearish. So this consolidation can get very choppy. You need to be very careful if you play these markets. If you're a day trader, just play what you're seeing that day. But if you're a swing trader, it might be best to just sit on your hands a little bit longer until we get a decisive move to the upside or the downside here. I did make a couple plays today. TNH. I'm going to go to a 5-minute because these were meant to be day trades. This one, see this high base? We ran up, 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 up. We had this high base. When it popped, I entered. And this one, I'm still in. I went ahead and let this go through the close. So I entered around 113. I'm in it right now at 114 and a half. So I'm up a 1.5 on this one. And let's do YGE. YGE, I entered on a 30-minute. And here, once it started launching, see this high base? Not a high base. This is more of a triangle ascending triangle formation. When we broke this, I entered in this area, and I'm still holding this one to the close. What's nice here is we just have a little pennant formation. I like the volume that came into it. I did also play FSLR, and I gave money back on that one. FSLR, let me see if I can think about where that was. There it is. Yep. Gave money back on this one. Let me show you what I was seeing. I had a nice bull pullback. And then I just waited for a higher high. Once we made the higher high, I was in. So I'm in here. I have my stop loss in place right down there. And then boom, I got nailed on the lower low. And we get this double top type formation, and then it just crashes and burns. So anyway, gave money back on this one. I'm up money on the other two and looking for some more bullish activity. Hey, I do have the SDS, which is the bearish ETF, on as my hedge. So if the markets do crash on me, I've got some protection. So there you have it. Hey, thanks for all the great feedback on the forums. I hope everyone likes the lounge. If you haven't visited the lounge or our forums in a while, we're putting pictures of ourselves on there. So feel free to join and to look at who we are and what we look like. And we also showing our trading outfits, our computers. And we're also giving out recipes. So we have recipes from all over the world coming in, and we'd like yours. If you are from some remote country and you're listening to this, please come in and give us your recipe. We want some different and some variety in our recipes that we're doing. Again, this is all found in the lounge. Take care. Happy trading to you.